You want to play Roblox on your smart television? Let's talk about it. First, can you install Roblox directly on most smart TVs? No. Most TVs like Samsung or LG don't support Roblox natively in their app stores. But if you're using an Amazon Fire TV stick, now we've got options. Here is how. First, plug in your Fire TV sticks and go to settings. Enable apps from unknown sources. Next, install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. This lets you download APK files directly. Then, use Downloader to install the Roblox APK file from a trusted source. Once installed, you can open it from your apps section. Now, important, Roblox is designed mainly for mobile and PC, so performance may vary, and you might need to connect a Bluetooth controller for a better experience. Another option, mirror your phone screen to the TV and just play from your device while it displays on the big screen. What really matters is this: your television alone probably cannot run Roblox, but a Fire TV stick gives you a workaround. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.